Hello, Tony Vera, TV News. Flying with your love pet, whether it's a cat, dog, whatever. There's a way to do it and a way not to do it. Always be cordial to the ticket agents or the supervisors. This woman could not fly with the dog to miss the flight because she had the wrong cage. So she spoke with a supervisor from American Airlines, and he let her know, go to the next terminal, we'll give you a cage for your dog, and you can fly out on the next flight. So she was cordial, nice to the guy, and was able to fly on her next flight. In the next video, you'll see a woman who left her dog by the garbage cans and got on the flight. But this is the first video. This is the way to do it properly. It was good customer service all around, and this is the first video. Second video, different passenger. This woman had to be taken off her plane. The American Airlines wanted to charge her more for her dog, and she decided to leave the dog right by the garbage can outside. The police went and got her off the plane, and she was met with the same supervisor. But I felt they should have took the dog away from her. Anytime you leave a dog by a garbage can and want to take off, they should just give it to West LA Animal Shelter, no kill, and they'll take care of the dog. Here's the wrong way of doing it. Here's the video.
Appreciate y'all.
Good job, officer. Thank you. They did a good job. They actually found the owner of the dog, so they did their job. Miss, how come you let the dog outside? I'm just curious. You should take it to a shelter. You shouldn't abandon it on the street. You don't want the dog?
You really gonna follow a young female around here?
No. You
want to do that?
You abandoned the dog.
You know how stressful I am right now?
Okay, fine.
And you really want to keep bothering me?
Don't do the stupid.
You want to keep pushing me?
You shouldn't leave the dog.
Really?
You shouldn't leave
Really?
the dog. If you touch me, I'm gonna have you arrested. You touch
Then
me,
walk away from me.
you walk away from me.
You harassing me.
Yeah, you abandoned the dog on the street.
She in my hands, ain't she?
Yeah, the cops came and got you. That's why. You shouldn't have that dog.
You should have your life, bitch. Random ass man in the airport with his camera following a young female.
Yeah, a female who abandoned their dog. A female who, I didn't call the cops.